Applying through Uni-Assist for a German university, here's exactly what you need to know. Welcome to Study in Europe. Uni-Assist is the centralized application service used by more than 170 German universities. They evaluate international academic credentials to ensure you meet German standards. In this video, we're walking through exactly how Uni-Assist works, how to submit correctly, fees, and the critical VPD process. First, let's understand what Uni-Assist actually does. When you apply through Uni-Assist, you're not applying directly to the university. Instead, Uni-Assist evaluates your academic documents and confirms their recognition. They convert your grades into the German scale and then forward your application to the university. This ensures a standardized way to compare qualifications from hundreds of different countries. Uni-Assist acts as the intermediary that makes that comparison consistent. Here's the step-by-step process for a standard Uni-Assist application. Step 1. Create an account at uni-assist.de with your personal information. Step 2. Select your university and program. You must choose the exact course. Step 3. Upload your documents. These typically include transcripts and degree certificates. Don't forget language proficiency certificates and ID. Documents must be in German or English. Uni-Assist requires complete documents. Missing pages will delay processing. Step 4. Pay the fee. It's typically $75 for the first application and $30 for each additional one. Payment must be completed before your documents are processed. Step 5. Wait for processing. Uni-Assist typically takes 4 to 6 weeks. If your deadline is July 15th, submit by early June at the latest. Step 6. Uni-Assist forwards your application to the university for the final decision. Now let's talk about the VPD, which is a separate and often misunderstood process. In the VPD model, you get a preliminary document from Uni-Assist first, then apply to the university separately. The VPD is valid for 1 year and can be used for multiple intake periods. You must start early enough to receive the VPD before the university's own deadline. Always check on the program page whether it uses standard Uni-Assist or the VPD model. Upload complete documents from the start to avoid significant delays. Start your application at least 6 to 8 weeks before your target deadline. Keep copies of everything, including screenshots of your submission confirmation. The Anabin database confirms which countries' qualifications and formats are required. Subscribe to Study in Europe for our complete Uni-Assist document checklist. Drop your questions below. Which program are you applying to, and does it use Uni-Assist? English is your entry point. German is your growth engine. See you in the next guide.